Staying in education, a proposal dubbed the Parental Bill of Rights would allow parents to opt their children out of what they deem controversial lessons in schools. As Maddie Heims shows us, the bill itself has become controversial and is now headed to the Senate.
Supporters of the proposal say it would allow parents authority over their child's education, but detractors argue that it could allow parents to infringe on the learning of other students in the classroom.
Passed in the assembly on party lines, with all Republicans voting in favor and all Democrats voting against it, the so-called Parental Bill of Rights defines controversial subjects as lessons that involve gender identity, sexual orientation, racial identity, or structural, systemic, or institutional racism. Suzanne Gallagher is the executive director of Parents' Rights in Education. She says parents should have the right to protect their children from things they see as harmful.
And beginning in kindergarten, students are being taught controversial subjects that parents are uncomfortable with. They don't want their kids learning about some things.
But John McRae-Jones, a policy analyst for the American Civil Liberties Union, says that censoring topics in schools only protects the status quo, not the students.
That's what makes a democracy healthy, is to have young, informed adults who come through our public school system, who can think about ideas for themselves and differently from our parents.
Governor Evers vetoed a similar bill back in 2022 and will likely veto this one as well. Public school parent Heather DuBois-Borinane told me she thinks the bill is hyper-political and unnecessary. She says there's already parent voice in public schools.
It's a beautiful thing to see people all over the state taking advantage of those by showing up at school board meetings, by engaging in parent-teacher conferences, by having those conversations with board members and administrators. And that's what parental voice really looks like in action.
I'm Maddie Heims, Fox 47, News at 9.